So today we're here at AutoWorld of Conway, previewing yet another just awesome example of a survivor quality vehicle, and at that, a pretty rare specimen for several reasons. We're going to go over that today and why we would be possessed to buy something that someone else might throw away, but not us, because we are just lovers of classic cars, especially three-door Suburbans with rear air. And it actually works. So every vehicle has its story, and as we survey this beauty, we will discuss some of that with you today. The skid plate inside the glove box confirms exactly what this truck is, which is a 72 Highlander package. So you see here the numbers matching 350 with air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes. So this was ordered originally in California, and that's where it was acquired from 15 years ago. And then it was parked outside of a farm in North Carolina. And I would venture to say this was the north-facing side of the vehicle, because all of this is moss and mold, and you can see it polishes up just fine. So inside here, you see the FM radio. Now all of the gauges do function, including the speedometer. We'll fire it up here in just a moment. I think the only thing that doesn't work is the horn and the radio. But you can tell, based on where this seatbelt was lying. Now, we haven't gone crazy cleaning this because we wanted to leave this just as we found it. Does it have rust? Yes, it does. So in the rockers, predominantly, and that's really it. So we'll go to the other side here in just a moment. But this Highlander seat interior package is just absolutely so cool. So after being parked in North Carolina, where he had a field of these, we saved it along with 22 other cars. And you can see, and it's got new tires and a fuel tank there, sending unit, brakes, fuel pump, carburetor was actually still good, and a water pump, and that was it. Subsequently, we have driven this. It's hard to do with one hand here. There we go. Goodness, have to try this again. There we go. And if I said she started on the first turn, I'd be lying. But after about 3 attempts, she fired right up. We've decided not to take this to the next level, because oftentimes people say put lipstick on a pig, and that's not at all what we're trying to do. This video is for full transparency, so you can see exactly what we see. And down the rockers here. A little bit there. Now they do make this side, the other side they don't make, but it's an easy panel to fabricate. So there it's at, and you can see where you touch it, it comes comes right up. So we have driven it a good bit so far. You can see the no rust in the drip rails. Here's a spot on the roof that we did clean. You can see a little bit of paint loss here and there, but just an absolutely amazing example. And we'll take it for a spin here in just a second. See how nice the grill and surround is. Let's fire it up, see what she sounds like. Whoops. That was on me. Temperature, battery, plenty of oil pressure. She'll sit here and idle all day long if you let it. So it looks like in this area there is some body filler. That's really all I can see. The leading edge of the hood looks awesome. Again, no charge for the mold and lichens. So we did have to paint the water pump when we installed that. Pretty amazing truck. See how it shines just from touch it. Plate. There's a photo of that on the website. And we did vacuum it, I will say that. We did vacuum it. A little bit right there. So what we'll do is we'll pause for just a minute and we'll take this lovely lady for a drive. So it's drive time for this 1972 Suburban. So let's go for a ride. It's rush hour, so I hope we can get out into traffic okay. 3-speed automatic transmission. See what we got here. Looks like favor is upon us. Video of this 72. That's 60 miles an hour. You can see how easy the steering is. Could benefit from an alignment probably. We did not do that when we replaced the tires. But again, easy does it. Hope you enjoyed riding along this 1972 Highlander Edition Suburban. AutoWorld of Conway, good cars for good people.